taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the key.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the second part of me cleaning my patios. This is the bottom one. In my last video I did the top deck, so I am going to be giving this a very good cleaning and then redecorating it a different way than I did last time. I removed that desk thing that I had out that I used last year, and I'm going to be putting out my hammock. I had one of my sons, my oldest son, he bought me a hammock for my birthday 3 years ago. So I am just now going to be taking it out and using it, putting it out on my patio to use. So I'll be including that in this video, and I'm just making a few changes, but I try to use what I have when I'm doing stuff like this. It's just I'm not outside enough to go out and splurge and buy like the expensive furniture and stuff that people put outside. Like, I've had this stuff for years, especially the table. Like, I know I've had that table for at least 12 years. But yeah, I just try to use what I have. I'm not trying to keep up with the Joneses or, follow in line of what everybody is doing out here on YouTube and the internet. I am one that tends to do what I like and not follow the crowd. So if that's something that you like to watch, somebody be themselves and just, go their own way, then this is the channel for you. I hope that you stick around and decide to subscribe to my YouTube family. And if you're not new to my channel, I thank you for continuing to come back and support me. I have so much to do, so much more stuff to do. So I'm just trying to do a little bit at a time, just to make so it won't be so much on me. I am a single mom, so and my youngest son, he plays basketball, and school is out, but that don't mean basketball is. So I am ripping and running with that, and also trying to deal with working 2 jobs and working my business and still trying to do YouTube. It's a lot, but I'm just trying to push through and get everything done. So hey, that's just life and the life that I have to live right now. So I'm trying to do it, and I'm trying to do it with grace.
Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing. We're just on different sides, on different times, stuck in a way opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels off and should let it go, but somehow we fold and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're act just like we're fine, but this just ain't it. But every time we try, we end up back here. No, we don't stand our ground, come back 'cause we're scared. On different sides, on different times, on different times. Can't read your mind, I've really tried, you won't let me in. Like we're strangers, say opposites, supposed to attract, supposed to attract. Should let it go, but somehow we fold. It happens way so often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're
Y'all, believe it or not, this fire pit thing, it was brand new. And it got rusted out because it was sitting outside, and it just been sitting outside all this time, never been used, and it got rusted like that. So I just went and got some fire resistant spray paint, and I'm just spray painting it black, and I'm gonna put this thing to use. I actually had got this as a one of my anniversary gifts from my job. So yeah, I just have so much stuff around my house or in my house that I have never used before, and I'm kind of ashamed to say it, but it is true. And this year I told myself, you're going to start using this stuff. You either need to use it or get rid of it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking the time to figure out the stuff that I'm going to use and get rid of the stuff that I'm not going to be using. And if you're wondering why I have all these little stepping stones stacked up, it's because we used to have a pool, and I took the pool down, and those stepping stones led to the pool. So I had my son pick them up, pull them up out of the ground, because I was no longer I was going to use that area for something else, and I was going to use those, try to find another way to use those. And so I've decided that I'm going to use them around my fire pit setup that I have outside. So that's another space that I have that has never been used. That fire pit that I have in my fire pit area, um, it's brand new, and it's been rusted out because of the rain, y'all. It's bad. It's really bad. But yeah, my goal is to just utilize my spaces, all of my spaces, whether it's just me or whoever. I'm gonna take the time out and just enjoy all this land that I'm blessed to have. So um, you can't take nothing for granted these days. So I have to get outside and just use the space that I've been blessed with. is the final look of what the bottom level is looking like. Again, I've had this stuff for a long time. I just reuse it. The most I do is just buy the new pillow covers. But I'm glad to finally have my hammock out. And I know I need to pressure wash the floor, but that will come in time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. God bless.
Taking just